Well, absolutely, Amita. Till now, as many as 13.29 crore people have come to Prayagraj to take
Akansha,
holy
I'm
dip.
just going to quickly describe the pictures right now that are coming in live from Prayagraj. So at the Triveni Sangam, here is the Union Home Minister Amit Shah descending down the stairs as he is now. Along with him, Yog Guru Baba Ramdev also said to be present. And we are looking at the top leaders. They're also accompanying the Union Home Minister Amit Shah as he is now about to take the holy dip there. That of the very moment and the very position of the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and the mystical Saraswati is where the holy dip, the confluence, the Sangam or the Triveni Sangam as it is called. And this is that very point that the Union Home Minister accompanied by top leaders as well. You can see another day, another dip for the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself taking this opportunity because he was last seen taking a dip with his entire UP cabinet. And right now on today's day, as he is accompanying the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, we are looking at this ritual, this holy ritual of the holy dip is now being performed by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. So Akansha explaining those pictures right now as the Union Home Minister is now taking a holy dip in the holy Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Right now, what we're getting to know and the visuals we're getting is that Union Home Minister Amit Shah is taking a holy dip along with his family, and he is in fact with Yogi Adityanath, who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Last week as well, UP Chief Minister was here with his cabinet ministers, and they took a holy dip here. Exact same thing was done. They all arrived at a rail ghat and went towards on this very boat towards the Sangam Ghat, where they all took holy dip. And today, in the visuals, we can see Amit Shah along with his family and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath taking a holy dip in Sangam, that is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Right after this, for puja, they all will be moving towards the Kila Ghat, and from there they will go to Hanuman Mandir, do puja for 20 minutes, and then they will be moving towards Akshay Vat, where there will be another puja. And most importantly, in the afternoon, there will be a very important meeting of the Union Home Minister with the prominent saints as well. And in a heartfelt message, in fact, before this visit, he had mentioned on social media that Mahakumbh is a unique symbol of flow of Sanatan culture. He's very excited to take this holy dip. He's excited to take the blessings of saints as well. And he had called Mahakumbh a great festival of unity and integrity in the holy city of Prayagraj. So right now, in the visuals, you can see Union Minister Amit Shah taking a holy dip along with his family and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Amita.
Well, absolutely. There are a set of rituals that actually need to be followed just before taking the holy dip as well. And minimum how many times one should take also the holy dip or the dubki, at least 3 or 5 or 7 times. That is also when it comes to the importance that is attached while taking the holy dip at the Sangam there. So, of course, a set of rituals, Akansha, that is also followed while taking the holy dip. He is also accompanied by top seers as well, who are giving him the Ashirwad or the blessings as well, as we are looking at the Union Home Minister there taking the holy dip, taking the dubki there in the sacred Mother Ganga, the confluence there which is known as the Triveni Sangam, accompanied by UP Chief Minister. There are other top seers as well who are blessing the Union Home Minister. Of course, a lot of heavy media presence that can also be seen, but this is that very moment. As far as VIP movement is also concerned, of course, with the Union Home Minister's visit, that was said to be expected. And this is the time, 2 days from now, it's going to be the second Amrit Snan or the Shahi Snan, as it is also called, on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya. And there we are going to expect, Akansha, you've already seen records being broken. Record number of people are also expected there. So just ahead of the Mauni Amavasya, the Union Home Minister there taking the holy dip, and of course, the rituals that are required to do for the dubki is also being done by him.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Now, this is happening on the day when there is Dharam Sansad, and there will be, in fact, discussion as far as the Sanatan board is concerned. So, when the Home Minister meets with the prominent saints, it remains remains to be seen whether there will be discussion on Sanatan board or not. Other than that, this is happening just 2 days ahead of Mauni Amavasya. That is the second Shahi Snan. Till now, as many as 13.29 crore people have already taken holy dip on the first day of the Snan. That was on 13th of January. As many as 1.5 crore people on a single day took holy bath. The next day was the first Shahi Snan. On that day, 3.5 crore people had come to Prayagraj to take holy dip, and we were present at the Sangam Nose, and we saw the excitement and the religious fervor in people who had come from all across the country and even beyond. We also foreigners as well. They were also very excited to witness Mahakumbh Mela. So in the last 15 days, Amita, as many as 13.29 crore people have already taken holy dip. Now in the next 2 days, we'll be seeing a number of people, and that will definitely cross 20 crore mark is what the Mela authority has come, because day after tomorrow, as many as 8 to 10 crore people will come to Prayagraj to take holy dip on a single day. And hence this visit of Union Home Minister is quite important. Firstly, because of Dharam Sansad today, that is going to take place today, his meeting and lunch with the prominent saints, and we'll have to see whether there will be any discussion related to the constitution of Sanatan board, because that is one of the demands that has come from different saints here, and that will be discussed during the Dharam Sansad today, that there should be a constitution of Sanatan board. It is high time that Hindus have their own board that could take decisions as far as the matter of Hindu religion is concerned. So it remains to be seen whether that aspect is mentioned to Union Home Minister or not. But as far as the crowd is concerned, Amita, we've been showing you visuals of people who are coming here, and they've been waiting here for Union Home Minister since morning. You can see this is the VIP Ghat, Arel Ghat, and you can see people there waiting to look at Amit Shah since morning. We've been speaking to most of them, and they said that they've been waiting here since 7 o'clock in the morning. And as soon as Amit Shah arrived here, the first thing he did was to wave to these devotees that wanted to have a glimpse of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Then he proceeded to meet with the saints who had gathered here to meet him, welcome his family. Baba Ramdev was also one of them. And then they all proceeded to this VIP area. They embarked upon that beautiful boat that was decorated with flowers, and then for 15-20 minutes they took stock of the arrangements and the management of Mahakumbh Mela, and now they have reached the Sangam Ghat. They are doing certain rituals right before taking the holy dip. He is, in fact, he has gone with several saints, so they are telling Union Home Minister Amit Shah what to do and how to do rituals, and after that he, along with his family, will be taking the holy dip. And this will be, in fact, a second dip for UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, because he was here in Prayagraj last week. He, along with his cabinet ministers, took a holy dip. They did puja here, and this, in fact, will be his second dip right here. All of them will then be moving towards the Kila Ghat on the left-hand side that we showed to you. That is the corridor, the Mahakumbh corridor that has been made. On that particular stretch, on the right-hand side, there is firstly Akshay Vat and then Hanuman Mandir. Firstly, he'll go to Hanuman Mandir, do a puja there for 20 minutes, and then he'll move towards Akshay Vat. He'll again do puja there, and after that, most importantly, he will have a lunch, a meeting with the prominent saints, and also he will be going to Juna Akharas, that is part of the 13 Akharas here.
As the Union Home Minister is now making his way back to the boat, of course, being accompanied by top seers as well, and the UP Chief Minister. This is probably the second time in the ongoing Mahakumbh that he got the opportunity to take the holy dip along with the Union Home Minister. This time, previously, he was there at Prayagraj where the first cabinet meeting was held. He, along with his UP cabinet minister, that time had taken the holy dip amidst a lot of politics and questions being raised on part of the opposition. But right now, the pictures that are now coming in from Prayagraj, this is the very spot of the Triveni Sangam, as the Union Home Minister has now done with the rituals. He's already taken the dubki now at the Prayagraj Sangam, the Triveni Sangam, and from here on he will be now proceeding when it comes to meeting the akhadas, the seers, and of course will be also going to the Hanuman, the Bade Hanumanji ka Mandir and Akshay Vat. We are also looking at the pictures that are now coming in as far as the timing which is also concerned, where crores and crores of devotees, we're looking at records being formed almost on a daily basis that are now coming up to Prayagraj to participate in the ongoing Mahakumbh, and this is that very moment and opportunity that the Union Home Minister has taken. You can also see Yog Guru Baba Ramdev along with him and the top seers blessing the Union Home Minister on this very occasion that he has taken the holy dip in the Triveni Sangam, and now he is making his way back up to the board. So now from here on, after the dip, what happens next, Akansha, if you can tell us about his next program?
Well, Amita, now that the Snan is done, he will now be moving towards the Hanuman Mandir, where he will be doing puja along with his family and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and several saints who are with him. They all will be doing puja at Bade Hanumanji ka Mandir. That is a very famous mandir. Everyone who comes for Holy Dip, after Holy Dip, they all go to Hanumanji ke Mandir. Then after that, they go to Akshay Vat, and that is what the Union Home Minister is also going to do. Now that the Snan holy dip is done, he will be moving towards the Hanuman Mandir. He'll do puja there, and most importantly, after that, he will be moving towards the akhadas. He will be going to Juna Akhada, and then after that, he will have a lunch meeting with the prominent saints there. So an action-packed day for Union Home Minister. The first step is done. He has already taken the holy bath. He did all the rituals along with his family, UP Chief Minister and several saints who were with him. He took all the saints along with him, and they, in fact, we saw in the visuals that the saints were telling him how to do rituals. He followed that, and now that the Snan is done, now the next stop will be Hanumanji ka Mandir, where he along with his family will be doing puja, and the time slot for that is 20 minutes.
All right. So here he will be now heading to seek the blessings of Hanumanji at the Bade Hanumanji ka Mandir, which is a revered temple there in Prayagraj. And this is a series rather one follows. As far as a devotee is concerned, when they step foot in Prayagraj, there is a set of rituals that is also needed to be done. And of course, this is something as far as step by step, when it comes to all of the things or activities that needed to be done during the Mahakumbh, that is being followed by the Union Home Minister over there. Of course, there is a meeting with the seers that is also taking place, and rooted in Sanatan Dharma, we are looking at this event, the Mahakumbh, that signifies when it comes to the celestial alignment that creates this auspicious period when it comes to spiritual cleansing and devotion, and of course seeking moksha or salvation seems to be the ultimate goal. So taking the dubki there, of course taking the blessings also from the seers, offering argh to the Lord's Son, and now after this the dubki which is over, the holy dip which is now over, the Union Home Minister along with the top leaders there and also with the seers who have been accompanying him, getting another chance to take the holy dip. As